the 10th sum now. Figure 7.13 shows a toy. Okay, this is a toy. Its lower part is a hemisphere. This is the hemisphere and the upper part is a cone. Find the volume and the surface area of the toy. You have to find the volume of the toy and the surface area of the toy from the measure shown in the figure, and pi we have to take 3.14. Okay, so we'll start the sum. First write solution. First thing you write is the toy is made from the from a hemisphere and a cone. You can say the toy is made from a hemisphere and a cone. Okay, so first write the toy is made from a hemisphere and cone. First we will write for the cone and then we will write for the hemisphere. Now one more thing, now see here, the base of the cone and the hemisphere are same. Okay, the base of the cone and the hemisphere are equal, so we can also say that the hemisphere and cone have equal bases. They have equal bases, so therefore their radius will also be the same. Okay, since they have equal base, their radius will also be the same. So therefore let R be their radius. Okay, so that means both have the same radius. Let R be their radius. Now first we will write for the cone and for the hemisphere. Now see here, for the cone what is given here? For the cone the height is given, that is the perpendicular height is given 4 centimeters. That means h is equal to 4 centimeters and radius is given 3 centimeters. R is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay, now for the hemisphere, now we know for the hemisphere the radius is the same. So here we will suppose we are taking capital R. R is equal to 3 centimeters again. For the hemisphere also it is 3 centimeters. Okay, now what they have told us, find the volume and the surface area of the toy. We have to find the volume. So first what we will do, we will first find out the volume of the toy. To find the volume of the toy will be volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. When we add volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere, we will get volume of the entire toy. Okay, so first we will find out volume of the toy. So we will write volume of the toy. Volume of the toy is equal to volume of the cone plus volume of hemisphere. Now write the formula, volume of cone. Now volume of cone we know the volume of cone. Volume of cone is pi RL. Sorry, volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, then write the formulas first. Volume of the toy, the whole toy is equal to volume of the cone plus volume of hemisphere. Now volume of cone formula we know, 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, now we will put the values, is equal to 1 upon 3 pi, keep it as it is, r square. Now we know the radius is same. Volume of cone, for volume of cone r is 3 into 3 into h is 4 plus here 2 upon 3, keep the pi as it is. Here you can write capital R. Since we had taken for the hemisphere, we had taken capital R, so you can write capital R over here. Then into radius is 3 again. So 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So now what you do is, we can reduce this, keep the pi as it is. You can reduce this, then this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. What is left here? See, what is left over here is 4 3s are 12, 12 pi plus 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 pi. Okay, here you get 12 pi plus 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 pi. Okay, now what you do is you add these two numbers, 18 plus 12. 18 plus 12 is 30 pi. Okay, 18 plus 12 is 30 pi. Now you can take, pi was given 3.14. So 30 multiplied by 3.14. 30 multiplied by 3.14. Okay, so you can multiply that. You can multiply 3.14 multiplied by 30. That is, I am just multiplying with 3. Afterwards, I will add the 0. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 3 3s are 9. 942. And since it was 30, so I'll add the 0 over here. So 9420. We get 9420. Okay. Now see, there is a point after two numbers over here. You can write the point after two numbers over here. Okay, after two digits you put the point. Since there is a point after two digits, you put the point. So here you can also write it as 94.2. Okay, you can write 94.2 cubic centimeters. Okay, so now we have found the area, volume of the toy. We got the whole volume of the toy. So we can write volume of the toy is 94.2 cubic centimeters. Understood? Now what we will do is we will find the volume of, now we will find the surface area of the toy. Okay, now we will find the surface area of the toy. So for the surface area of the toy, surface area is the curved surface area. So for the surface area of the toy, again you will take curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. Okay, now we know the curved surface area of cone is pi r L. We need to find L first. Okay, for the cone, to find the curved surface, we know the formula is pi r L, but L is not given over here. See here, the height is given and the radius is given. So when the perpendicular height and the radius is given, we can find out the slant height. Okay, so what we will do is we will first find out the slant height. So slant height, that is L. So we will say that let L be the slant height of the cone. Let L be the slant height of the cone. Okay, L is the slant height. So when, see here, the height, perpendicular height and radius is given. So we know the formula, L square is equal to R square plus H square. Okay, L square is equal to R square plus H square. L is not given, so leave it. R square, radius is 3. 3 square plus H is 4. Height is 4 square. So 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. So 16 plus 9 we get 25. L square we got 25. That means therefore L is equal to 5. L we got 5. Okay, we got the value of L. Now we can use the formula for the curved surface area of the cone. See, we got the volume. We've got the volume of the toy. We got the volume of the toy. Now we will find surface area of the toy. Okay. So what we will do is we will find the surface area of the toy. So see here, surface area of the toy. Surface area of the toy is equal to curved surface area of the cone. See here, curved surface area of the cone and curved surface area of the hemisphere. Curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, so what we will do is we will write down both the formulas over here. Curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cone is pi r L plus curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Okay. So surface area of the toy. The surface area of the toy will be curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area is pi rl plus curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So now we will put the values. Okay, pi keep it as it is again. Later we will multiply it with 3.14. Radius, we know radius is 3 and L, that is the slant height, we got 5 plus 2 multiplied by pi again as it is, and radius is again 3 into 3. Okay, we will take capital R for hemisphere. Again multiply this. 3 5s are 15. Okay, see, multiply this. Curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. So 3 5s are 15. 15 pi plus 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18 pi. Okay, so when you add this 15 plus 18, you get 33 pi. Now what you do is, we know the value of pi, they have told us to take 3.14. So 33 multiplied by 3.14. Okay, so now you multiply this. See here, 3.14 multiplied by 33. 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 3 3s are 9. Put a 0. Again the same digits will repeat. 2 4 9. So this is the answer what you get, 10362. And there is a point there is a point after 2 digits. So again from here after 2 digits you put the point. So what you get, 103.62. So here we get 103.62. And since it is area, we will write square centimeters. So we got the answer. We got the surface area of the toy. Surface area of the toy is 103.62 square centimeters. Okay. So understood this sum? We had to find the volume and the surface area. To find the volume, add both volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Okay. Then to find the surface area of the cone plus surface area of the cone plus area of the hemisphere. So see this, and then this page. Okay. So here we have finished sum number 10. See the 11th sum. Find the surface area and the volume of the beach ball shown in the figure. Now this is a beach ball. You have to find the volume of the beach ball first, and then you have to find, first find the surface area. Okay, first you have to find the surface area of the beach ball, and then you have to find the volume of the beach ball. Okay, so what we will do is, first write the solution and then write what is given. Okay, now what is given over here is, you see here the diameter is given. The diameter of the ball is given. So what we will do is, we will make half of it and find the radius of it. Okay, so first what we will say is, the diameter of the ball, diameter of the beach ball is equal to 42 centimeters. So therefore radius R is equal to D upon 2. That means it is half, radius is half the diameter. So 42 upon 2. Okay, so when you divide this, you will get 21 centimeters. Okay, so we have the diameter, from the diameter we found the radius. Okay, now see what is the question. First we want the surface area of the beach ball. So we will write surface area of the beach ball. Now surface area of the beach ball is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Put the values 4. Now here, see here, pi r square. You can use 3.14 here. If you want, you can use 22 upon 7 also, but I'm using 3.14 here. 4 3.14 into r square. Now radius r is given, we got 21. Okay, radius is given, we got 21. So see here, I took 3.14 here. If you want, you can take 22 upon 7 also. So 4 into 3.14 into 21. Okay, now we will multiply this and we will get the answer. 21 we know is 441. Okay, 21 is 441. That we will multiply it with, suppose 3.14, 314. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 fours are 16 plus 1 17. 1 ones are 1, 1 fours are 4, 1 fours are again 4. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, and 3 fours are 12 plus 1 13. Add this 4, 6 plus 1 7, 14. Okay, see here, 21s are 441. We multiplied with 3.14. After that again 4 is left. So again whatever answer you get, multiplied with 4. 4 fours are 16. 4 sevens are 28 plus 1 29. 4 fours are 16, 18. 4 eights are 32 plus 1 33. 4 threes are 12, 15. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 5. So this is what you get, 553896. Okay, now you can see that we had taken 3.14 here. 3.14, there was a point after 2 digits. So again after 2 digits we are going to put a point. Okay, so what answer we got is 5538.96. Surface area it is, so square centimeters. Understood? So we got the surface area of the ball. Use the formula 4 pi r square and you can write the values and multiply it. Okay, so we can write the answer first. Surface area of the beach ball is 5538.96 square centimeters. Okay, we got the surface area. Now next what we have to find, volume of the beach ball. Okay, now we will find the volume of the beach ball is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, write the formula. Next we have to find volume of the beach ball. So volume of the beach ball is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Again put the values, 4 upon 3 pi, again I'm taking 3.14 only, into r cube. R we had, radius we had 21. Okay, so 21 into 21 into 21, since it is cube 3 times. Now we can reduce this. 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. Okay, now see here, this part is the same. 21 multiplied by 21 into 3.14 multiplied by 4 is the same. What answer you got here? 5538.96. now only this thing we are going to multiply. The same answer what we got, 5538.96, we only have to multiply it with 7. Understood? We only have to multiply it with 7. So see here, 7 6 are 42 over here. Okay, 7 9s are 63 plus 4 67. 7 8s are 56 plus 6 62. 7 3s are 21 plus 6 27. 7 5s are 35 plus 2 37. 7 5s are 35, 38 we get here. Okay, when you multiply you get this, 3877272. Okay, and now see here, after two numbers, again after two digits you have to put a point over here. Okay, now since it is volume, we will write cubic centimeters. Answer: find the volume of the beach ball. So the volume of the beach ball is 38772.72 cubic centimeters. Understood? We have finished the 11th sum. Now see the 12th sum. As shown in the figure, a cylindrical glass contains water. So this is the glass which is cylindrical in shape. Okay, it has water. A metal sphere of diameter 2 centimeters is immersed in it. So there is a metal ball which is immersed in it, which is the diameter of the ball is given 2 centimeters. Okay, you have to find the volume of water. We only have to find the volume of water. Okay, so first what we will do is we will first find out the volume of water with the metal ball. Okay, then we will find the volume of the metal sphere. Then later what we will do is, to find only the volume of water, we have to find the volume of water. So we will take out this metal ball from it. Okay, we'll have to take out, means we'll have to subtract that. So volume of the water with the metal sphere. Okay, with the metal sphere, volume of the water minus volume of the metal sphere. When we remove that ball from the water, we will get only the volume of water in it. Understood? So first what we will do is, we will write solution. Okay, now volume of water. First, for the volume of water, to find the volume of water, here the diameter is given. See, the diameter of the cylindrical glass is given. Diameter of the cylindrical glass is given. So diameter is 14 for the cylindrical glass. Now for the cylindrical glass, water has also taken the shape of the cylindrical glass. So here we will write the diameter is given 14 centimeters. If the diameter is 14, radius will be half of it, that is 7 centimeters, and height is given 30 centimeters. Okay, we have the radius from the diameter, we got the radius, and the height is given 30 centimeters. That is for the cylindrical glass. Okay, so when we find the volume of the water, we have to use this, because water has taken the shape of this container, that is the cylindrical glass. Next is, we will write for the metal sphere. For the metal sphere. Okay, now suppose this is the metal sphere that is immersed in this. Okay, metal sphere that is immersed in it. The metal sphere diameter is 2 centimeters. Now suppose its diameter is 2 centimeters. This diameter is 2 centimeters. Half of it, diameter is equal to 2. So radius will be half of it, 1. Okay, so we will just write it down. Diameter is equal to, you can take diameter is equal to 2 centimeters. Therefore, here I'm taking, okay, capital R you can write over here. Radius will be 1 centimeters. Okay, for the metal sphere. So what we have done is, we have written for the cylindrical glass, we got the radius and the height, and for the metal sphere also we have the radius. Okay, now first we will find the volume of water. First we will find the volume of water with the metal ball immersed in it. Okay, volume of water with the metal ball immersed in it. Okay, write the formula. Volume of water we will take pi r square h, because it has taken the shape of the cylindrical glass, so we will use that formula only. Okay, pi r square h. Now you can use the formula. Now what we will do is, keep the pi as it is, r square. Okay, volume of water r square is 7 multiplied by 7 into h is 30. Okay, now see here, 7 sevens are 49. 49 you multiply with 3, 147. 147 and put this 0 in it, add the 0 and put pi. Okay, suppose you have 30, so you can put the 0 at last. So we get 1470 pi. Since it is volume, you can write cubic centimeters. Okay, we got the volume of water with the metal ball immersed in it. Now we will only find out the volume of the metal ball, because what happens, we have to take out that metal ball and then we have to find only the volume of water. So first we will find out volume of the metal sphere. Now, volume of the sphere, we know volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, volume of metal sphere, that is volume of the sphere, is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Again pi, keep it as it is. And radius capital R we had taken, so you can write capital R over here. Now radius of the metal sphere, we got 1. Okay, so what we get here is 4 pi upon 3. 4/3, when you divide, 3 ones are 3, put a 0, put a point here, 3 threes are 9, 0, again 3 threes are 9, you can stop the division. What you get here is 1.33 pi, again volume, so you can write cubic centimeters. Okay, here we got the volume of the, volume of the water with the metal ball immersed in it, and here volume of the metal ball. Now what happens, we will take out this metal ball from the water. Okay, that means what we will do is, we only have to find the volume of water. So write the volume of water is equal to volume of water with the metal ball immersed in it, okay, minus volume of the metal sphere. We have to remove that sphere from it, so we have to minus, okay, subtract it. So volume of water with the metal ball, with the metal sphere, it is with the metal sphere, minus volume of the metal sphere. Volume of metal sphere. Okay, now what was the volume of water with the metal sphere? We got 1470 pi minus volume of metal sphere 1.33 pi. Okay, now we will subtract this. See here, 1470 minus 1.33. Okay, I'm doing it over here only. Now see here, there is a point. Since it's subtraction, put zeros on top over here. Now what you do is, you subtract this. There you will get 7, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 1, 8, and then 6, 4 and 1 as it is. 6, 4 and 1 as it is. Okay, so what we get here is 1468.67 pi, keep it as it is. Okay, cubic centimeters. Now we had to only find the volume of water. We got the volume of water by removing the metal ball from it. Okay, so what we did is, we first found the volume of water with the metal ball immersed in it, and then later only volume of the metal sphere. Then we had to find only the volume of water. To find the volume of water with the metal ball immersed in it minus volume of the metal sphere, means we had to remove the metal sphere from it. Okay, so therefore volume of water is 1468.67 pi cubic centimeters. Okay, so this is your answer. So we have finished this practice set. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.